and we are back for 2021. Something about this year. So excited for this. And yes, I know you expected to be in the kitchen. We will be going to the kitchen, just not right now. Disappointed? That is your first disappointment for 2021. Glad I could make it for you. Okay. I almost took an extra day off because I was tired. The journey back from upcountry was So what happened was we got two flat tires at the same time. What? Which made us to wait for 2 hours to find the nearest petrol station, get them fixed, and then go on with the journey, and then get yet another puncture, another flat tire. I mean, wow. But then I'm really grateful because we were safe at the end of the day. We encountered so many people who had gotten into accidents along the road, and it's surprising at how many people can get accidents in a day on that road. It's a really long road. Well, we traveled 350 kilometers approximately, so it's quite a distance. And wow, I mean, we saw a lorry that had turned to its side. We saw another lorry that this is not funny, but yeah, was carrying watermelons, and then they got spilled everywhere. Sad. And then my brother said that the watermelons look really tasty, and I was just like, what are your priorities? I mean, huh? Anyway, yeah, and there was another one where we saw a motorcycle that was crushed in ways that most motorcycles would never, I thought would never look. That's yeah, so if you're watching this right now, you know what? You're alive. And that is what matters. And now that I think about it, this is fishy. Because what I've just explained are the events of the 2nd of January. On the 1st of January, the day before we were to travel, certain members of our family had food poisoning. It was like, and they started sensing that, hey, things are just against us traveling, because food poisoning from where? And by food poisoning, I mean serious food poisoning. And people, this is not funny, but yeah, people mixed food, and I'm not naming names, but yeah, people mixed food that they should not have been mixing, and they brought it upon themselves. But anyway, it was funny that this was happening the day before we were traveling, so I'm just hoping my year won't be as dramatic as the way it started, because that's going to be bad for me. I don't need drama. I just don't need drama, not now. So the reason why I almost took an extra day off is because, hey, we spent 13 hours on the road. What, am I flying to another country? Amen. Now to the main aim of this video. We were still in our country and we were baking. My sister bakes lovely pastries, lovely donuts, cakes, tea scones, you name it. It was just amazing. So we were baking a cake, and then I was going to help her to record it for TikTok, and then she said that I should record it for YouTube as well, and I was like, you know what, I'm on a break, but yeah, sure, okay. Okay, even though I haven't carried my equipment, and by equipment I just mean lights, because I record with my phone, I was like, yeah, okay, it is my first time to be trying out everything, so yeah, let's do this. So this video was inspired by my sister. And yes, that was still the period that we were in a country, and I'm glad it could happen. So I hope you enjoy it. I hope it's well done. If it's not, then guess what? I'll be making more videos like that will be well done. But I love it. So it's good enough for me. This video isn't suitable for you if you'd like to know how to bake a cake. I might do another one like that, but this one is just me baking a cake for the first time. Well, me and my sisters doing it for the first time. What am I saying? This video is about me and my sisters just baking. Okay, but it was my first time. It wasn't their first time. It was my first time. That's the point. Okay? So because it doesn't have measurements or list of ingredients or whatever. Yeah. Okay, fine. Enjoy the video. Yeah, it looks so lovely, but I didn't even get a taste because we were baking for our other sister. Looks so tasty. And having said that, I will put my sister's Instagram handle in the description below. So if you want to order cakes, she is the person. All right? Yeah. So check it out. If you do live in Nairobi, Kenya, to be specific, okay? But watching that video makes me just miss being there, miss being at a country. Well, that's surprising to me, but it was a really peaceful place. It was like an escape from reality, the harsh pressurizing reality. And it was a really, really, really good break for me, honestly. And I when we arrived at the city yesterday, it was like, so this is what here looks like. Now I had completely switched off, forgotten everything. Well, kind of, just for a little. Of course, it all came back to me when I was looking out the window, and it was, oh yeah, this looks like this. You got? Anyway, I am glad to be back. I just hope 2021 isn't a demon in disguise, but no, I'm just hoping for the best for myself and for each and every person watching this video who made it this far. Yeah, because it means you're patient and you give people chances. You're a good person. Own it. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Thank you to my 530 subscribers. Thank you so much.